Hello friends, good morning. I am Chandra Malik. You watch my YouTube channel. Welcome to my channel. Friends, how are you all? I am very fine. Friends, today I am going to discuss with you the most important topic, and the topic is IISF 2020 or Indian International Science Festival 2020. We come to know about this topic in details. I take this topic from the esteemed magazine of Arihant publication. I just share this topic with you, and this topic IISF 2020 is vital for any competitive exams, if it may be central or state-wise exam. I just request you to watch this video till end. If it is good, then don't forget to hit the like button, must leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Now let's get started this topic. Friends, India International Science Festival 2020. PM Narendra Modi inaugurated the 6th India International Science Festival 2020 that took place virtually in New Delhi from December 22 to 25, 2020. The theme of IISF 2020 was Science for Self-Reliant India and Global Welfare, to support the government's initiative of making Atmanirbhar Bharat. The event was a celebration to promote science and technology and demonstrate how science could lead India towards a developed nation within a short span of time. The event, supported by Vigyan Prasar, All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE, Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR, Indian Council for Agricultural Research, ICAR, Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, and the Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR. IISF 2020, hosted by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, National Institute of Science, Technology and Development Studies, NISTADS, New Delhi. Next point, objective: to display India's contribution in the field of S&T, that means science and technology, and to motivate the young scientists to find solutions to the burning issues of our society, to engage public with science and celebrate the joy of science, to encourage students to study and work in scientific fields, to strengthen nation and to achieve inclusive and sustainable growth in the coming future, to provide a platform for recognizing contribution of science and technology in global development. Next point, focus. The goal of the IISF 2020 was to help youth develop 21st century skills with a focus on scientific knowledge, creativity, critical thinking, problem solving, and teamwork. IISF 2020 was an integral part of India's long-term vision in developing the spectrum of scientific temper in India and abroad. IISF provided a platform for young scientists, students, and technocrats to exchange knowledge and ideas. Next point, conclaves and meets at IISF 2020. Global Indian Scientists and Technocrats GIST Meet 2020. The session was inaugurated by Union Minister Harshvardhan. Inaugurated the session in which following topics, namely water, artificial intelligence AI, applications, healthcare, education, and skilling for better employability were discussed. GIST Meet 2020 has participants from several countries including USA, UK, Qatar, Angola, Anguilla, Australia, Switzerland, many other countries. Next point, Women Scientists and Entrepreneurs Conclave 2020. The session showcased short films based on living inspiration of rural and tribal Indian women. Prominent personalities like Rohini Hetangari, Dr. Urmila Mitra Kareb, Professor Rohini Godbole, Dr. Sharmila Mande, and Harpreet Singh shared their experience with them. Next point, Conclave on Assistive Technologies and Divyangan 2020. The 2020 conclave was held based on the theme Empowering Divyangan through Science, Technology, and Innovations for Self-Reliance. The panel held discussion on assistive technology, ecosystem in India, independent daily living, education and skill development, and in employability, including women, northeastern states. Next point, Agriculture Scientist Meet 2020. The meet served as a platform for agricultural scientists, farmers, teachers and students, discussion of sustainable agriculture, precision farming technologies, and agricultural production systems. Data-driven technologies in agriculture, management, innovation, and agriculture. The main aim of the event is to reduce the impact of weather vagaries on agriculture and make agriculture a reliable income earning pursuit for marginal stockholders. Next point, Student Science Village 2020. Harshvardhan also inaugurated the Student Science Village 2020 Mega Science Hub, one of the main events of 6th IISF 2020. The main aim of the Student Science Village was to make science enjoyable for school students. Next point, Vigyan Yatra. Indian Association of the Cultivation of Science IACS Kolkata organized the Vigyan Bigyan Yatra to promote the IISF 2020. Mobile science exhibitions were started in various cities of India to promote scientific temper and inculcate culture of science among the masses. Next topic, 5 Guinness World Records in IISF 2020. IISF 2020 Virtual Science Festival, 2000 approx per day at peak hour. Light, shadow and time device making, 5,000 students. Online hand hygiene lessons and activity, 30,000 students. Applying protective masks and taking an oath online, 30,000 students. Nutrition and health lesson, 35,000 students. Thank you friends for watching this video till end. Take care, be happy, be energetic. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.